TalespinneratHome. And today you're at home with me, Miss Chrissy. Today we're going to be making paper plate masks two different ways. The first is going to be a full face animal mask, and the second one is going to be a half face emotions mask. So what you'll need today is, as you can see here in my own home, I have a newspaper set up just so I don't get any glue or markers on my nice wood table, paper plates, a popsicle stick, or you could use a pen or pencil, whatever you've got lying around, some construction paper, and I also have pink construction paper, but you can always color if you only have white, that's totally fine, some scissors, a marker and a pen, a glue stick, and some tape. All right, let's get started. Now, I don't know about you, but spring is my favorite season. So in honor of everything coming back to life and flowers blooming, we're going to be making a bunny mask today. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pen and draw the eye holes so we can see out of the mask. Now, just like everything we do in theater, it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. We're just gonna do our best and have a good time. Now, this next part's a little tricky, so adults out there, if you wanna help with this part, that would be great. What you're gonna do is take the scissors and cut out the eye holes. Now, adults, it's really easy if you just poke a hole through the center of the plate in the eye holes. It's easier to get scissors through those kind of holes instead of just going for it. So that's what I recommend doing. Then, after you cut those little slits, you can go around the eye and cut it out, just like I'm doing. There we go. Now I can see out of the mask. All right, next step is we're going to attach the popsicle stick, or like I said, you could use a pen or a pencil, anything you have, to the back side of the mask so we can hold it up to our face. Now you're just gonna place this on the flatter side of the plate and take some tape to secure it on. I always like to use two pieces just to be safe. Just helps it stay a little sturdier. And there we go. Next step is we're gonna make the ears for our bunny. So we're gonna take a piece of white construction paper first, and what we're going to do is draw the ears on here for a little template. And there we have it. Now we're just gonna cut them out. I'm gonna take my pink construction paper, or you can still use the white one and just color it, and make the insides of the bunny's ears that are pink. So we're gonna make the same shape, just a little bit smaller so it fits inside. Great, now I have both pieces of the bunny ears cut out. Next thing I'm gonna do is glue them together. My tip for this is to take the sides that had the pen or the marker on them and flip them over so you don't see them when they're on the mask. And you can do the same with the pink bits. So we're just gonna line these up in here. And I'm using a glue stick, but you could also use tape again or whatever you have lying around. But I recommend glue stick or tape. We're gonna go up to the top of the mask, and again, we're gonna glue stick them on. There you have it. And if you want to double reinforce it, like I do, you can just take a little bit of tape and tape it from the back as well onto the ear, from the plate to the ear. So just another extra layer of making sure this mask will really hold up when we start playing with it. Looks cute. All right, so now we're going to make our bunny's little nose using, again, the pink, or again, you can color it yourself. Now we're just going to put a couple finishing touches, and this is where you can really personalize how you want your mask to look. So I'm just using a permanent marker. You can use semi-permanent, whatever you have, or even a pen. And I'm going to draw little nostrils on the nose here for my little bunny. And I'm also going to draw a mouth and some whiskers on him too. Whiskers are a little lopsided. That's okay, I'm just gonna chalk it up to my bunny having a little personality. Also, a fun addition, if you have them lying around, you can also use pipe cleaners at this point too to add the whiskers. I didn't have them lying around, so I'm just drawing them on. And I think I also want to add some eyelashes to my bunny. Alright, and now here is my bunny mask. So fun! Great job! Now, for our emotions masks, you're going to just need one paper plate, cut it in half, and then you have two different masks that can be emotions. I taped on the popsicle stick to the back, like in our bunny mask, and now it's time to draw. You can make these as colorful as you want. They can be any emotion, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be using a permanent marker to draw on two different kinds of faces. And I think I'll do a really happy one and a very sad face. So just get to it and have fun. I made my smiley one have really big teeth because they're really happy. Also kind of looks like a mustache here. You know what? That sounds fun. I'm gonna add a mustache to my sad one. And there you have it. A very happy and very sad mustache man. Great. The great thing about theater is that you can do it anywhere. I'm right here in my stairwell, and this is gonna be my makeshift stage. So I've got my bunny mask, and here we go. Well, I'm Miss Bunny. Don't you see I'm here in my tall grasses? What do you think about that, Mr. Bunny? Oh, I think it's a lovely day out as well. See, it is so much fun. Now, here at Talespinner at Home, we want to find out what different kinds of animal and emotion masks you've made in your own home. Send us your ideas at talespinneratHome@gmail.com or find us on social media. We can't wait to see what you've done. Hope you had a lot of fun today making paper plates